You two stay home and look after each other, okay? Remember to check all the window latches before going to bed. We'll be back tomorrow morning.
Yes, sir. Have a safe trip, you guys.
Safe travels, Mom and Dad.
This is the one, house number 15. The lights on the second floor are already out. Delivery. Anyone home? Hot fried chicken is here.
I'm coming. Give me a second, sir.
Here's the family combo for you.
Here's the payment and a tip for you.
Thanks, kid. Enjoy your dinner.
Oh man, Leo, that fried chicken smells incredible.
Right? I wonder what kind of seasoning this is. Our parents are honestly the best. They probably knew we'd get hungry.
Perfect. Let's just eat on the sofa while we watch a movie. Look, there's fries and extra cheese too. Try a piece, Leo. It's seriously amazing.
Exactly the way I like it. They ordered from our favorite spot. Tonight is basically paradise.
This place is a total gold mine. The kids are glued to the screen so they won't suspect a thing. Perfect. I need to find where they hide the cash and jewelry immediately. Where's the safe? This leather bag is pretty sturdy. I'll stuff the tablets and watches in here. I need a quick snack to keep me going. Nothing but fancy snacks here. I'll take some for the road. These sweets are making me thirsty. I need to find a drink.
Hey, Lily. You want another soda?
Yes, please. Could you get me a glass of ice water too?
Sure thing. Stay right there and watch the movie. I'll get drinks for both of us. Wait, what's this on the floor? Mom just had the house cleaned this afternoon. These footprints are huge. They definitely aren't Dad's. Oh no. I forgot to engage the deadbolt after I got the chicken. Someone broke in. Let me see where he's hiding. Oh my God. There's a thief raiding the fridge. Lily, there is a stranger in the kitchen stealing our stuff.
I'm so scared. Let me think. Since he came through the front, he has to pass through this hallway to get upstairs. I have a plan.
The kids are still focused on the TV. Now I'll head upstairs to grab the rest of the jewelry.
He's heading for the stairs. Leo, go pour dish soap all over the hallway floor. I'm calling the police. Be really careful. Hello? 911? There's a thief in our house at number 15 Rose Street. We're hiding in the bedroom and we're terrified.
Stay calm and lock your bedroom door, sweetie. A patrol unit is just around the corner. Follow me, guys. We've got a 211 on Rose Street.
I called the police. Let's hide in the closet. Don't make a sound.
I promise I'll never be careless with the locks again.
Did you latch the bedroom?
It's double locked. Don't worry. Let's just pray the cops get here fast.
It's way too dark in here. I can't see anything. Where do they keep the cash drawers? Ha ha! Found a box of gold and a stack of bills. I'm set for life. No way, the cops. How did they get here so fast?
Freeze! All exits are blocked. Hands in the air.
How do they know I'm here? It must be those kids. I've got to get out through the back.
Our slippery trap actually worked.
Leo, look. The police are in the house. We're safe.
Ouch, what is this? Who put soap here? I must have slipped because I was in a rush.
Look what we've got here. Don't move an inch.
I give up. I surrender.
You're under arrest for burglary and theft. Get him to the car. Hello? I'm Officer Sam. I know you two are in there. Come on out. It's safe now. You guys were incredibly smart and brave. I'm just glad you're both okay.
Thank you so much for saving us, Officer Sam.
Lily, you did a great job giving us the exact address. But Leo, the soap on the floor was pretty risky. You could have been caught if things went wrong. Let's not take risks like that again, okay?
Yes, sir. We understand, Officer Sam. I won't do it again.
I believe this bag belongs to your parents. There are phones, watches, and cash inside.
Thank you so much. I'll keep it safe until they get home.
I already called your parents. They're on their way back as we speak. Don't worry.
Thank you, officers. Have a safe night.
This time, let me personally check every single lock.
Deal. Thanks, Lily.
All set. Not even a bug could get into this house now. Good night, Leo.
Good night, Lily. Sleep tight.